Hercules e navi agressus est, et, cum ad regem Cretae venisset, causam veniendi docuit. Green highlighter. Hercules left from the ship, and when he had come to the king of Crete, explained or taught the cause or reason of coming. Okay, so what's going on grammatically here? Hercules from the ship. Oh, what kind of verb is agressus est? It's a two-part verb that makes it look passive. But is it Hercules was left from the ship or Hercules left from the ship? Looks passive, translates active, must be deponent. Hercules left for the ship, and we've got cum, and it's a cum clause, you can tell, because we've got this pluperfect subjunctive here, venisset, when he had arrived to the king. Don't mix up regem, king, with regnum, kingdom. Oh, and we've got another one of those nd words. The cause of coming. That is a gerund, not a gerundive. It's not the cause that must become. That's weird. It's the cause of coming.